Hi everyone, this is SheShe coming on to share with you an unboxing of a package I received from Beebeecraft. I was contacted to review their products. I had never heard of this company before, so I thought I would give it a try and share with you what I thought about their shipping time as well as their packaging. So per the video request, they wanted me to show you how it looks when it comes to you. So it's like in this bubble wrap paper. It was taped to this glitter cardstock that I have here. So I'll just open it up. I did just cut it to cut the paper, the bubble wrap, to save time. But I just wanted to show you how that looks and show you the items that I chose to review. Okay, first I want to share these bookbinding hooks. Come in a package of 100. You get various sizes. They had other colors, like you can get a mix of gold and silver or just plain silver. You'll have to look at the website if you want something different. I just picked all silver. So here are the sizes that it comes in. They come in these little baggies, which is very convenient to keep, you know, everything organized. And then you have these small rings. You get these rings right here. These are great for attaching your keychains or, like I said, bookbinding. So those were my thought processes when I decided to choose these items to review. I guess you can make jewelry too with these. So that's the first item I wanted to share. Next is a roll of gold leaf trim. I thought this was really pretty, and you can use it to decorate your crafts, embellish your treat bag toppers. So many ideas. Add flowers to it, but I'll bring it up close so you can see the detail of the leaves on the gold. And again, this is a large roll. It'll take you forever to, I don't even know if you can see the thickness in there, but it'll take a really long time to use up all of this. So I'll be back with some projects that I made using these products I received. The next item, it also comes in a plastic bag, which I think it's very well packaged with all these plastic bags just to secure everything and that you received all the items unharmed. But it is a, like the blue theme of the little rhinestones in this size. And it comes in this little compact, I don't know if I can open this part. Yeah, I sure can. And you just open it and then you can take out what you need. It opens like that. And there you go. There's one. This is how it looks. And then when you don't need whatever color, you just take it back to wherever you got it from and pop it back in, and then close it all the way to the dial of this white compartment, and that'll hold everything from falling out. So I think that's a clever idea to package your rhinestones, and they're not self-adhesive. You'll have to add glue. Alright, and then the last item I want to share is this glitter paper. There's some very unique colors in the glitter paper that I don't normally see when I buy my glitter paper. So we have this very rich red. I don't know if you can see the glitter in there. It's not as, it's more rich in color. You don't see as much silver glitter in the paper to make it really sparkly, but it's stunning in person. So I just thought I would share with you that, because you'll notice a difference between this red glitter paper and then the remainder pieces of glitter paper that I have. So as you can see, the blue, it really pops and you see that glitter on camera. But like I said, the red that I just showed, it's really nice. It's just not as much silver mixed in with the glitter to make it pop. But I think it will look stunning on cards. So we have purple or some type of fuchsia color. And then we have brown, which is very rare in glitter cardstock. You can almost go for a bronze, but it looks more brown. So I think that's really pretty. Then we have this color right here. And then we have black. And then we also have silver, which is really pretty. And we have the gold. And then we have like a light, I want to say pink, but it can easily coordinate with purple. Okay. Then we have orange, which is really pretty. And then last, well, actually there's more. Purple, which is really stunning. Love the purple. And then we have this shade of like a turquoise. You can also go with your mint projects. Okay, so that is my video share for today for Beebeecraft. As I had agreed, I will come back and share with you some projects I made with the items I received. Okay, so stay tuned for that video. I hope you enjoyed and you were informed. I hope you like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me out. Take care and have a fabulous day.